Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Medea J, and today's video is going to be this metallic smoky eye look. I realized that I've been doing a lot of testing videos and I haven't actually had time to sit down and play with my makeup. So that's what we're going to be doing today, and we're going to be creating this gorgeous base and this gorgeous metallic look. So if you're interested, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's jump right in. Alright you guys, so the first thing that we're going to do is prime the lid. So I'm using this Plouise mini base. This is in shade 2. This is the Plouise cancelled eyeshadow palette. I hauled this and I just haven't used it. This is the first time I'm trying it. It has such a beautiful range from light to dark and such a beautiful color story. I definitely had to give it a go today and just really sit down, create something really pretty and just enjoy the process. So I'm applying that base onto the lid and I'm just tapping it in and then blending it out. The first shade I'm going into is Ranting. Now the eyeshadow palette itself is quite heavy, so it's very difficult for me to lift it and show you guys the shades. But just believe that the pigmentation in this eyeshadow palette is everything and more. So I'm just building up the outer crease, and now I'm going in with Fabrication and Invalid and just really smoking out the outer corner. I'm taking my time to really pack the intensity on and just make sure that I have that smoky effect. And then I'm blending in Culture and Trending into my inner corner and also my crease, just so that there are no harsh lines. So I've really been enjoying playing with my collection lately and really going into my eyeshadow palettes and use them. It's been such a wonderful experience just knowing what's in my collection and really appreciating what I have. And sitting now to record this look is just everything. So once everything's blended, this is what we have. And then I'm going into this metallic base from Plouise. All the products that I use will be listed in the description box. Definitely check that out. And the thing about these metallic bases is that you can use them on their own and they just dry really matte, or you can just layer an eyeshadow like I'm doing now on top and it still packs a punch. So this color called Published has this kind of like green, it's like green gold undertone, and I simply live for it. It's so grown and so pretty. To prime my face, I'm going in with the XXRevolution Elixir, and I realized that applying this with a brush makes such a big difference as opposed to trying to pat it into the skin with my hands. So I have been loving using a brush to apply this, and it just really soaks into the skin quite nicely and gives me that hydrated look underneath my foundation. And then for foundation today, I'm going into the Juvias Place Eye Magic Foundation in Burkina. I love this foundation. It gives me that full coverage experience that I need, and I just love blending it out with a sponge. It just really blends quite nicely and it gives me that full coverage look that I am so here for. The foundation itself does last a really long time, so if you're looking for a full coverage foundation, if you haven't tried this, I would highly recommend. You can see how full coverage my skin looks, and I'm just here for it. I'm just having the best time of my life right now, just seeing how gorgeous my base is. And you can still see the hydration coming through from underneath the foundation. And then for concealer, I'm using the Rumour Beauty Say What concealer. I absolutely love this concealer, and it just blends out like a dream. It doesn't make my under eye dry or anything. You guys know that I love this concealer. I talk about it all the time. The color is just amazing and the finish is just brilliant. The Rumour concealer and the Juvias Face foundation is definitely a match made in heaven when you're talking about bases. To set my under eye, I've been loving using a brush lately, so I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder to set my under eye. Again, it doesn't leave my under eye looking dry. I do have the tendency of having dry under eye, so I'm just definitely very careful with using a brush instead of a sponge, because I feel like a sponge really just cakes up the powder on my face. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury is it Magic Star? I can't really remember what it's called, but it will be listed in the description box. I'm using that to set the rest of my face. I haven't used this in a while, so I thought I'd give it a go, and I still love how beautiful the coverage is. Now I really want to give myself a smoked under eye, so I'm going in with this eye pencil from Urban Decay in Street. It has a green finish to it, so it's really going to bounce off and play off the metallic shadow that we have on the lid. And then again, I'm building up the intensity on the lower lash line using the same shade that I used in the crease. And I'm just really smoking that out. And then I'm going in with Culture just to blend it all in so that we don't have any harsh lines. So what eyeshadow palettes have you guys been using lately and loving in your collection? Definitely let me know. I am trying my best to only buy palettes that I'm truly interested in. So definitely let me know what you guys are gravitating towards right now. So for bronzer, I'm using the Revolution Glow bronzer. I do like this bronzer. It is a little bit dark and it's not as warm as my favorite one from Revolution Pro, but it's still a really good bronzer and I like to use it from time to time. And then I'm going in with the ColouredRaine Duo. This is one of the collaborations with Power. So they came out with 3, I believe, of this. Is it 3 or 4? Anyway, this is one of them. Can't remember the name of this one, but it will be in the description box. I really like the flush of pink for the blush, but from experience, these things are really pigmented, so definitely going with a light hand. I don't even think ColouredRaine is selling them anymore. If they are, definitely snap them up while you can because they're really good duos, and I feel like they didn't get as much love as they should. I do have a discount code with ColouredRaine. Midej will get you 10% off. And for my mascara, I'm using the Pure X Barbie Duo. And I love this. It performs just as well as the Morphe Duo as well. So yeah, lashes are on. Gorgeous, full on lashes. And now for lips, I'm going in with my trusty lip pencil from MUA Cosmetics. This is Obsession. And then I'm using the Plouise gloss in, is it the Holla? Is it Hula or Holla gloss? Anyway, I'm going in with a gloss and it's giving me this finish. I just love it. It's just such a beautiful lip gloss. I'm so here for the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I really like the way it came out. My skin looks fresh and clean and everything just came out snatched. So definitely let me know what you guys think. All my hair details, my makeup details, everything will be listed in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, God doesn't like ugly. Be nice to someone today. Black lives will always matter, and I'll catch you guys in a future video. Take care.